Inspired t-shirts. I got brand new Live Inspired t-shirts available right now. Check them out in the link below. I mean, look at it. It looks like a used condom.
Oh, man, this is so nasty.
So you want to know how to prank? Today, Crazy Russian Hacker and I are going to show you pranks you can do on your friends by using condoms. This prank's perfect for someone's lunch bag. If they have bananas in their lunch bag, just quickly grab a condom, open their lunch bag, and wrap their banana in a condom. You know, keep it safe. Put it back in. They'll never know. When they're sitting at lunch in their business meeting or in the lunchroom with their friends, and they pull out this condom banana and say, what the hell? What's going on? And it'll be super embarrassing.
For this condom pranks, we're going to do funny condom notes. What you want to do? Have a safe weekend and stick a condom to it for the supervisors. CT number priority. Perfect. Stick it down on their desk. They're going to laugh.
Dude, you could even make one that says antivirus and put it on your laptop.
So antivirus and just stick it on their computer. That'll be so funny.
Maybe I need a napkin for this condom prank. When you have a party or a sleepover, friends are over at the house weekend, get a condom. Open the condom up, get some lotion. Squeeze the lotion in there, smear it all around. Ew, yuck. And then put it like on his shirt while he's sleeping or in his butt crack.
Oh.
Say that. It's so nasty. But imagine waking up and you have this on your forehead and you poke it up and you look at it. It looks like a used condom.
Oh, man, this is so nasty.
Yeah, you can even throw that. Somebody definitely get those used condoms out. Oh,
that's a mean one.
Prank at your own risk. Another condom prank you can do is take a bunch of empty condom wrappers and just put them around your buddy who's sleeping, like on the same bed, and then take all those condoms that were in there and just run them under the sink so they're wet and nasty. Put some there, put them on the floor. So when he wakes up in the morning, or your friend, whoever wakes up in the morning, maybe throw one on top of their head if you dare, one by their feet. Oh, this is nasty. And then when they wake up in the morning and they have a huge party, you come in like, dude, how you feeling, man? What are you talking about? You had a huge sex party in your room. How does that feel? Like, does your butt hurt? For this prank, you're going to go up to people with extra protection. I'll give them a magnum. Guys, it's a protection site. You can never be more safe. Believe it or not, these things will help you dodge bullets. Hey, they're magnums. Just put them in your holster, man. They're magnums uniform. You good? Okay. They're magnums. Yeah? It's a magnum, man. Pop it in the holster. Yeah? Alright, you want some protection, man. Added protection. It's a magnum. You put it right in your holster. It'll match your officer belt. Safety first. You need some extra protection? Consider your backup. You can put it in your holster. It'll dodge a bullet when you need it.
I think the dirty condom one was insane.
Disgusting.
I know.
Let us know which one's your favorite in the comments below. Subscribe to Crazy Russian Hacker. Live Inspired, shock the world. See you next time. This life hack is very helpful for when you're driving somebody else's car or a rental car. When you need to get gas and you don't know what side the gas tank's on, just look at the gas gauge and find the gas symbol. On the gas symbol, you'll see a little arrow pointing to the left or to the right. That arrow is pointing to the side your gas tank is on. Too easy. Go. For this prank, when your friend or your